Me. Come here. Where'd your buddy go? Okay, you guys, I know you're learning, but you gotta come over here. Come on. You are the cutest thing ever. I am very proud of you and very grateful for that experience. I did not expect to be a surprise dad. They hatched. And I think 2 of them imprinted on me. He is somewhere else. Oh, I hear him. There's 2. There are 2. Okay, so we got 1. Put your there. You good? Keep that one there. I know you got a 3rd one out here somewhere. You like it? Whee! Pose. Pose. And come down? Or do you like it up there? Okay. You can stay. I'm gonna get back to work. You can watch. Hey. I love your little tufts. Can you touch? Those are so cute. Love them. The cutest. You falling off a little. Side bone, put you right in. There we go. Better? He threw it on me.